चक्षुरुन्मीलितं येन तस्मै श्री गुरवे नमः। गुरवे गौरचन्द्राय राधिकायै तदालय कृष्णाय कृष्णभक्ताय तद्भक्ताय नमो नमः। हरे कृष्ण 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 हरे हरे, हरे राम 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 हरे हरे। लोग भीड़ भये प्रभु दशाश्वमेध दे जाइया, रूप गोसाई रे शिक्षा कराण शक्ति संचरिया। चैतन्य महाप्रभु he came to the Dashaswamedh Ghat. There Mahaprabhu teached to Rupa Goswami all theories, all tattva teached to Rupa Goswami. Krishna tattva, bhakti tattva, rasa tattva, pranta sab sikhaila Prabhu Bhagavat Siddhanta. In this way Mahaprabhu teach all Bhagavad theories, Bhagavad Siddhanta, Krishna Bhakti, Ras, everything. Ramananda पासे जत सिद्धांत सुनिला, रूपे कृपा करिता सब संचारिला. Ramananda and Mahaprabhu समाचार संवाद, everything Mahaprabhu spoke to Rupa Goswami. Sri Rupa Hriday Prabhu Shakti Sancharila, Sarva Tattva Nirupiya Pravina Karila. In this way, Mahaprabhu teach to Rupa Goswami all things and give inspirations. Shivananda Senir Putra कवि कर्णपुर रूपेर मिलन सग्रंथे लिखिया छेन प्रचुर. So Kavi Karnapur, he wrote how Rupa Goswami and Mahaprabhu met together. Kalina Vrindavana Kelivartam Luptitam Khapoitum Visesam Hipamritena Abhishisecha Deva Statraiva Rupancha Sanatanancha. Kalina Bhat Vrindavana Keli Varta. वृंदावन के लिए वार्ता long time disappeared. In this way, Chaitanya Mahaprabhu again his desire, he wants to manifest this day. Then Mahaprabhu gave inspirations to Rupa Goswami and Sanatana Goswami. Jav prayeva priya guna ganair jara badhapi mukta Geyadhyar sadrasaiva paro murta evapamurta Premalapai didatara परिसंग रंगई प्रयागे तम सिरूपम सममनो पिम अनुपमेन अनुजग्राह देव. So Mahaprabhu gave inspirations to Chaitanya Rupa Goswami. In this way he came from house.
所以就是 Rupa Goswami
Then Rupa Goswami and Anupam,
Rupa Goswami 和 Anupama
Rasatulla Amurta Gaurangadi in the Prayag
在 Prayag 的地方
spoke with him
就和
and
就是 Rupa Goswami 和 Chaitanya
he embraced Rupa Goswami, gave all Bhakti Rasa Shastra to him.
Chaitanya 和拥抱了 Rupa Goswami 把所有的 rasa 他的这些真rasa 的真理全部
Priyaswarupe Daita Swarupe Prema Swarupe Saja Virupe Nijanurupe Prabhuri Karupe Tatanarupe Swavilasarupe. प्रिय स्वरूप महाप्रभु very nearest. He is Mahaprabhu, Priya Swarup, Daita Swarup, Prema Swarup, स्वाभाविक मनोज्ञ रूप विशिष्ट स्वयं अपने रूप एवं भूत विलास रूप गोस्वामी
所以 Rupa Goswami 展示揭示了 Chaitanya 的三种的รูป形体
এই মত কর্ণপুর লিখে স্থানে স্থানে এই প্রভু কৃপা কইল জয়িছে রূপ সনাতনী. So Kavi Karnapur wrote Rupa Goswami and Sanatana Goswami include Mahaprabhur jato boro boro bhakta matra रूप सनातन सवार कृपा गौरव पात्र. Mahaprabhu is great devotee. So all devotees they give mercy to Rupa Goswami, Sanatana Goswami. क्यों यदि देशे जाए देखी वृंदावन तारे प्रश्न करें प्रभु Parishadaga. If someone going to Bengal, from Vrindavan to Bengal, then devotees they are asking to Rup Sanatan, how is Rup, how is Sanatan, how they are living. कहता कोई छेरा रूप सनातन, कोई छेरा कोई छे वैराग्य, कोई छे भोजन. How is their renounced life? How they are eating food? How they are living? How they are doing bhajan 8 prahar? तभी प्रशंसिया कही सही भक्तगण. अनिकेत दुहे बने जत वृक्षगण. They are living. They have no house, no hut, no ashram, no tambu. In the forest, how many trees? Living one tree, one day. एक वृक्षे तले एक रात्रि शयन विप्र किए स्थूल भिक्षा का मधु करे. Sometimes they are take some food in Brahman house or some madhukuri. शुष्क रोटी चना चिवाय भोग परिहरी. They left all material desire. Sukhi roti, dry chapati, chana, chola, karuva matra hati, santa chhida bahirvas, Krishna katha, Krishna naam, nartana ullas. Always they are speaking Krishna katha, Krishna naam, nartana ullas. Ashtaprahar Krishna vajan charidanda sayani At Prahar, always they are doing bhajan.
他们总是在做八正。
Only Charidanda. Charidanda means 1.5 hours sleeping in night.
一天的话，平均只是一个半小时。
Nam Sankirtan Premi Syanai Ko Natini Kavu Bhakti Ras Shastra Karai Likhan Chaitanya Katha Sune Kare Chaitanya Chinta. Always they are hearing Mahaprabhu's Katha. Remember meditations to Mahaprabhu. And they are writing Bhakti Ras Shastra. এই কথা শুনি মহান্তের মুখমা সুখ হয় চৈতন্যের কৃপা যায় তাই কি বিস্ময় Then all devotees they are very happy. Here Chaitanya Mahaprabhu's mercy. চৈতন্যের কৃপার লিখিয়াছেন আপনি रसामृत सिंधु ग्रंथेर मंगलाचरणे In the Mangalacharan, Bhakti Rasami Sindhu, Mahaprabhu, Srila Rupa Goswami wrote this Bhakti Rasami Sindhu. Hidiyasya penaya pravartitu ambarakarupapi Tasya Hare Padakamalam Bande Chaitanya Devasya. So Mahaprabhu তিনি হৃদয়ে প্রেরণা দিলেন. Mahaprabhu gave inspirations to Rupa Goswami. I am very simple, very ordinary person, but his mercy, his inspiration. So in this way I am writing something. I offer pranam to Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, Krishna Chaitanya Hari. Ei mata das din prayage rahiya, Swirupe Shikhadila Sakti Sanchariya. In this way, in the prayer, Chaitanya Mahaprabhu teaches to Rupa Goswami. Prabhu kahe sunaru bhakti rasira lakha, Sutra rupi kahe vistar na jai varnan. Mahaprabhu told, Arup, I am speaking something about bhakti ras. I am speaking only code words, I cannot speak so much. Parapara sunna gavir bhakti rasa sindhu, Tuma chakhai te tar kahi kabindu. So I am speaking only one drop. This bhakti ras ocean. So this ocean how can speak? So I am speaking only one drop. Ei mata brahmanda bhari ananta jivagam, 84 lakh jonite karaye brahma. Unlimited jiva is unlimited, cannot count. Full of Brahmanda. They are jivas, they are moving only 84 lakh jodi. 84,100,000 bodies. In this way, jivas always moving there. Unlimited jivas all are coming and going in this way. Kishagra sateka bhai punasatang se kari one long hair and make 100 pieces. One piece, in making more 100, then how much small piece? Same way Jiva.
因此，那个你个体为了
Kesagra satavaga satang satrisatmaka
微小程度作为
Jiva susma sarupoyam
万分之一，
Sankhati to hi chitkanaha. Chitkani, Jiva, they are Sachidananda. But Anu Chaitanya Jiva, very small part. In this way, Jiva,
那至尊主他是萨奇南的，
they are moving in the world.
而这个个体为领他只是至尊主身体的一个小规律，所以他们就在这个物质世界之中到处游走。
One here make 100 part.
10,000
One part make more 100 part.
所以是头发丝儿的万分之一小一个规律，一个个体的都没有问题。
तारे मध्य तार मध्य स्थावर जंगम द्वीपे जंगम तीर्य जल स्थल चर विविध. There are jivas two types,
因此，
Sthavar and Jangam.
两者，
Sthavar means
它的
trees, creepers, mountains,
树木，
not moving, not going.
树木，
Jangam, who is moving,
看起来没有生命，
is
但是
Jangam.
它们也有生命力。
But Jangam,
香港就代表
there are Jolachar, Sthalachar, Uvachar. So many creatures,
很多的这些
so many
小
animals,
种类
birds, creepers, trees,
鸟儿、树木、万种，
then human life.
之后就是人类的生命。
तार मध्य मनुष्य जाति अति अल्पतर तार मध्य म्लेच्छ पुलिंद बौद्ध सव मनुष्य जाति अति अल्प. Human life very small parts, very small,
The very rare or very small.
very small. How many? Other jivas, other entities so huge, counted. But human beings only some counted,
This number is very light.
very less number.
这里就讲到了个体的我们就在840万种的生物体的
Human life is very less number.
840万种的生物体之中，人类的生命体也非常的含有，非常的少用，数量非常少。
There are bleach,
称为是 bleach，
pulling the both the shower, lower class, other class, this is going out.
还有的就是在人类的生命体之中也分不同的层面。
There are any very small persons.
高阶
They are following Vedas,
高阶之中
Vedist.
非常少的，又有少数的这些
But who is following Vedas?
所以伟大经。
They are saying, oh, I believe Vedas,
但是
but only half persons.
他们在追随这些伟大经之中，相信伟大经的人又占了其中的少数。
They are doing bad karma, prohibited things.
所以尽管这些
Vedini siddha pap kare,
这些罪恶的果报，
and sinful life, and
非常普通的这些事，
all bad karma, bad
非常
things.
普